Hello, thanks for watching our Starter Kit video intro. I'm Imamir, founder of AI Point. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to get started with AI workflow automation in n8n. First, I'm going to show you how to get ready on n8n, then create an OpenAI key if you don't have any, and then I walk you through building an AI agent in n8n. And we explore two different examples as part of the starter kit. By end of this video, you will be able to build a simple AI agent or AI workflow in n8n. You ready? Let's do it. First thing, go to the n8n website, n8n.io, and click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you will see this form where you need to sign up. You have 14-day free trial. Once you sign up, it will ask you to create a cloud environment. The cloud environment allows you to build AI workflow within n8 and run them and even make them production ready. That's very important to choose a good name that you can constantly using that. Once you set up your n8n environment, you will see something like this. And then you can have multiple workflows available. But before that, we go through the details of n8n. I'm going to show you if you don't have any API key, you need to create your own API key in OpenAI. You can use different AI model, but in here, I will walk you through OpenAI API key because that's the most common one that a lot of people are using. You can use Mistral, Azure, Anthropic, and other AI model like DeepSeek and so on. So feel free to go ahead and use your own. In here, once you come to the OpenAI platform, platform.openai.com, then you come to your account, log into your account, and then you can create a new secret key. You come here, create a new secret key, and you can select the project and you create it. Once you create that secret key, you need to store it somewhere safe to make sure that you're not going to lose it. Otherwise, you have to create a new secret key. When you go to n8n, there is a area is called credentials, so you can store all your credentials here. And once you set it up, so it will be there for reusing it over and over. Now let's look at the example that I provided for you. Now I'm going to show you how to import one of those templates as part of the starter kit. Click on the three dots on the right hand side. Click on the import from file. Find the template file in your computer and then click OK. Now you get the template in your workflow in n8n and you can start working with that. Here is a blog summarizer. So this blog summarizer is responsible for getting a link from you on the chat, and then once it's received that link, it will go to that blog page and summarize it. If you look at the prompt template here in this example, it says that this is a blog summarizer that fetch the URL and then it return a JSON. We usually prefer JSON response because then we can use that for integration and down the track when we get their outcome from the AI agent. And then if I execute this, so it starts fetching the URL from the link and going to that link, scrape the content and summarize that page for me. The blog explores the transition from using standalone AI tools to adapting AI native business models and so on. Yeah, it's a very interesting way that you can simply summarize a page. If you build a UI for that, it can become a simple chatbot that specifically works with your use cases. Now you build your first workflow. Let's look at the how we can advance this. This is the same blog summarizer, but now we just parsing that JSON to a specific format to be able to send it to Discord channel. Discord channel is similar to a Slack or any other communication channel that you want to basically share the information with your team. So I just put the webhook URL from Discord channel that I want to post, and then provide the format for this node, which is called HTTP request node, and define it how it should work. Simply, if I run this blog, I just trigger this, and then the message should come to this page. There you go. From AI tools to AI native, the next business transformation, and so on. So it summarized the page for me and send it to a Slack channel. That makes, and then I can share that with the team. So it's great for building a tools for your team that summarize news and share it in the Slack channel so everyone can break through that. This is another example of workflow automation where I build an AI agent that gets a brand and industry from the user, and then it finds a common hashtag based on that brand name and industry, and then it finds the trending post in social media, and once it collects that trends, it send them and analyze them, send it to the chat, and create a ad creative brief, how you should create future media content, etc., and post it on social media. Hope this video helped you to start with AI workflow automation. If you want to build more complex and more advanced workflow automation, please join our agentic lab.